Today, we're working with IGK girl Charlene. She has dense, kinky, curly hair. Start the style by using a quarter-size amount of Smoke & Mirrors Conditioning Cleansing Oil on wet hair to gently cleanse. On damp hair, spray sold-out curl primer roots to ends to prep the curl. Emulsify a small amount of Sunday Funday texture foam through your hands. Using your fingers, comb, scrunch, and detail the product throughout the hair, adding more as you go. How you apply the product is far more important than the amount. Softly twist random sections of the hair for added detail and curl definition. Once the curl pattern is set, slowly dry the hair using a diffuser on medium heat and medium airflow to avoid over drying. When the hair is 50% dry, layer in Speechless hair and body oil to add shine and heat protection. For the final IGK touch, spray Amaro Ombre Spray to sections around the face for a perfect sun-kissed effect.